We packed our bags early in the afternoon and set off on a little road trip.
We'd been talking about this trail for weeks. The closer we got, the more excited we felt. There was no cell service the whole drive, which honestly made it better. Just us, the road, and the feeling of finally going somewhere that we've been wanting to go to.
Aside from the waterfalls crashing, the trail was quiet. The kind of quiet that makes you realize how loud everything else usually is. We just walked. We took our time. We didn't feel the need to say much. The trail was pretty steep in some spots. It felt like a bit of a challenge getting to the top. But then, as we turned a corner, there it was, this waterfall just tucked away like it was waiting for us. I stepped into the stream, cold, cleared water running over my feet, and I don't know, something about it just slowed me down. There's something really calming about being in water like that. It hits different. Felt good in my body, but also in my head, like everything just kind of let go for a minute.
Pug is feasting
I'm
on
always
his snack.
snacking.
Can I get some grips, please?
One
Quick
grip
snack.
for you.
Thank you.
We found and sat on an old bench and carved our initials on it. Not for any real reason, just felt like something that we should do. A way to remember it, I guess, even if no one else ever sees it.
We also passed a little ice cream stand on the way back and, of course, had to stop. Didn't think about it much again, just one of those small, easy choices. Ice cream was superb. I got a hot fudge sundae with chocolate marshmallow ice cream.
And I got a hot fudge with Oreo ice cream.
We ate the ice cream in the car, grabbed pizza, and ended up back on the couch. Not a big day or anything, but it felt right. Sometimes it's the quieter stuff that sticks with you more than anything you'd think.
There's no big takeaway from the day. I'm just glad that we went.
I'm glad we went too.
You're so grumpy.